The amazing benefits of drinking green tea instead of coffee. Take 1 organic green tea bag, 1 cup of hot water but not boiling water, 3 to 5 drops of liquid stevia for sweetness, and half a lemon. Steep your green tea in hot water for 2 minutes and then remove the tea bag. Add the stevia and then squeeze in the lemon juice and stir it very nicely. Drink this healing mixture 3 times per day to support your body and enjoy the following health benefits. 1. Boosting brain power. Most people grab a coffee when they need energy, but coffee can leave you feeling jittery, restless, and drained after a few hours. Green tea, however, contains just the right amount of caffeine plus L-theanine, which helps you to stay focused, calm, and alert without that caffeine crash. 2. Burns fat faster. Green tea is also one of the best natural fat-burning drinks that you can have. It has something called EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your metabolism by up to 8%. This means that an average person can burn an extra 60 to 80 calories per day at rest without doing anything special. It also helps to target and burn stubborn belly fat by specifically improving liver function. 3. It helps your hair to grow. The EGCG in green tea can block DHT. This is a hormone that's linked to hair loss in both women and men. Studies also show that green tea increases blood circulation to the scalp, helping deliver nutrients that promote thicker, stronger hair while reducing dandruff and scalp irritation. You can either drink it or use it as a rinse to boost the activity of dermal papilla cells. This will support new hair growth and reduce the shedding phase. Green tea also helps to clear up acne and pimples. Pimples form on your skin when androgen hormone levels are too high, which causes your skin to make too much oil. This sebum oil clogs up the pores, leading to blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. Now, green tea naturally lowers androgens and balances hormones to help clear up acne and pimples naturally. It also has antioxidants which reduce inflammation to soothe red or irritated skin. Later in the video, I'll share how you can use green tea directly on your skin as a toner. Green tea can also help to fix bad breath. Studies show that the catechins in the tea can kill certain types of bacteria in the mouth that are known to cause bad breath. So simply drinking this every day can easily keep your mouth fresh. Moreover, you may use matcha green tea powder mixed with water as a healing mouthwash or gargle. Benefit 6 is protecting your skin from aging. If you want to stay looking younger as you get older, drinking 3 cups of green tea a day can work wonders. EGCG and the other polyphenols in the tea help neutralize free radicals from the inside out. They also boost collagen production, leaving your skin firm, plump, and youthful looking. You can also use it as a skin mist or a mask to protect it from the outside in. 7. Removing fat from your liver. Both green tea and lemon juice can lower inflammation in your liver and directly boost fat oxidation. This is why I highly recommend drinking your green tea with some freshly squeezed lemon juice every single day. If you wish, you may also want to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, as this will stabilize your blood sugars and help to clean your liver even faster. And number 8 is protecting the heart. As I've said before, drinking too much coffee can stimulate cortisol, which raises blood pressure over time, which is bad for your heart. However, green tea helps to protect your heart by lowering the risk of plaque from building up in the arteries. Studies show that regular consumption can reduce blood pressure, improve circulation, and also reduce strain on the heart. It also keeps your blood vessels more flexible by enhancing endothelial cell function, reducing the risk of blood clots and blockages. Some other benefits of green tea to be aware of include fighting cancer. The catechins in green tea have been shown in studies to help prevent the formation of breast, prostate and colorectal cancer. It also helps the body fight off viruses and harmful bacteria. It can help control blood sugars. The L-theanine component can calm you down and reduce stress and anxiety. It may also prevent kidney stones, and some people drink it to reduce seasonal allergies. Using green tea properly. When making it, use hot water to steep your green tea, but make sure that it's not boiling water, as if it's too hot, it can destroy some of the polyphenols and catechins that it contains. You should also use the high-quality organic green tea, as the cheaper versions may contain pesticides and heavy metals that aren't good for you. Don't add milk to it either, as the dairy can bind to the healing catechins and reduce their effects. And don't use the decaf version, because the decaffeination process strips away some of those beneficial antioxidants. You don't have to, but if you add raw lemon juice, it will help you absorb the healing nutrients a little bit better. Green tea versus black tea. Both green tea and black tea come from the same plant, but they are processed differently. Black tea is fermented and oxidized, which gives it a richer flavour but less antioxidants, whereas green tea is less processed and it has more plant-based chemicals which provide stronger health benefits to you. But what is matcha green tea? Matcha is a special type of powdered green tea that has much higher levels of antioxidants than regular green tea. This is actually made from whole ground tea leaves, so instead of just steeping it, you consume 100% of its nutrients. Matcha actually has 3 times more healing catechins than regular green tea, making it even more powerful for brain health, fat burning, and the other benefits we talked about. It also has a little bit more caffeine, so just 1 to 2 cups a day is all you need for the maximum health benefits. Other ways to use green tea. Use cooled green tea on your skin to reduce oil, tighten your pores, and improve your complexion. You may also use it in a spray bottle and spritz it on your skin to reduce UV damage and support a natural tan. You can use matcha green tea and water as a natural rinse to heal inflamed gums and freshen your breath. Rinsing it through your hair conditions and strengthens hair strands and reduces dandruff. You could also rub green tea ice cubes on your skin to reduce puffiness and refresh your face. Or blend some matcha powder into a delicious health-boosting smoothie. All information shared today is for educational purposes only, so please speak with your doctor if you have any medical issues. For more information on anti-aging and improving your health, you may want to watch this video on screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.